Hey there, it's also here, the assassin. This week's acronym is SSL. Now, you would have heard this many times. It stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It's an internet encryption protocol that allows data that goes between a website and another server or a user to be encrypted so that hackers can't intercept and gather any of that data that's shared between the two. Now you'll notice that at the top of your browser where it's got the web address, the URL, it will say HTTPS. And also there, in a lot of the browsers now, you'll see a little lock symbol on the left-hand side of the web address. And that is evidence that you do have SSL and that site is secure. Now, it's pretty important to get this done on your website. Now, if you're obviously selling online in e-commerce, and people are going to be very reluctant to put in their credit card details to make a purchase on an unsecure site. So that trust needs to be taken care of with your SSL certificate. The other thing is, if you're collecting any form of information, like with a contact form just for people to fill out their name, their email, their mobile number, they're going to be very reluctant to give that to you if you don't have the security of an SSL in place. So very important. Now, the last one is that Google, for search engine optimization, will severely hammer you if you don't have SSL. They don't want to rank you if your site's not secure. 3 compelling reasons why you need to get this in place. Now, it's pretty easy to do. You can get your web developer to organize to get an SSL in place for you, and there are several different providers for these. You can go and buy one yourself. They're fairly easy to find. If you Google it, you'll find the usual providers, the GoDaddies and whatever, the resellers, they all have SSL certificates for sale. And you can give that to your web person to implement. The only problem with that is you're going to have to remember whether you get someone else to do it or you do it yourself to make sure you renew it. And that's pretty important. The third one is we use CoreDNA, which is SaaS, Software as a Service, and as part of our subscription, the SSLs are taken care of from them by them, and we don't need to worry about the renewals or any of that sort of stuff. Okay. Make sure you've got a secure website. HTTPS, that lock symbol in place so that all your visitors feel comfortable about being on your website, that they're not going to get infected with a virus that hasn't been hacked by someone, that they're safe. Now, if you are unsure about any of this stuff, and you're not sure what's going on with your website, or you're about to start with a new website, let us know. Hope you find this useful. Thanks.